Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to delete Google account on your iPhone or Android, or you can do it on your computer. For this, you just need to download the Gmail application on your device, or you can go to any browser to write Google Let Me Do It. Just go to any browser, write Google in the browser, open here, click on the button. Sign in there, enter the account. You will have everything exactly the same, but I show through the application. I'm so much more convenient. Now you go to the application, click here on your account, then click on, as you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.